Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's phone that I have to clean it's a Sony Xperia L, and hopefully not for loser. So, eugh. It's not a new unit, but oh, the phone was in this thing. But hey, it deserves a bit of cleaning. So, ew, it has the protection foil applied. Good. Let me, because of its stickiness on the back, it got sticky on the front as well. Let's see if I can clean the front with some simple wet wipes, not with alcohol. And then I can get to the battery cover with alcohol. And the battery cover also has NFC. Okay, it's cleaning. Good. That's good. Cleaning it everywhere. Okay. The important part is clean. Now let's move to this one. Oh, it even has the button here with, oh, and they're made of rubber. Oh my god, I have to be extra careful. And the NFC logo, it's solid. And we'll see how it looks after. So, let me first gently put on the paint, trying to avoid the buttons so they don't disintegrate or something. Ah, okay, I think it's starting to come off. That would be nice. I don't care if the logo disappears from the cover. I know it's genuine, but I also need it to be, you know, not sticky. Did it come off on the front already? Nice. And I can see the metallic paint, so I don't know if it's metallic or if that's how the plastic is made, but it looks nice. Ah, great, just what I was afraid of. The buttons start to disintegrate. Well, disintegrate. Snap, you know, because of the organic rubber. And I'm holding it from the back to the front. And as left is the camera button. If I can clean around it, I'll be golden. Also holding it with my fingy. Interesting how how it's drying. So what can I understand from this? That it still has some paint residue. Okay. That I was done with the smelly alcohol, but apparently I'm not. No, stay there. Well, the back is looking better, but now the side still has, dang, just where I'm afraid of cleaning. You know what, the heck with it. Dude, what's happening? Seriously, I think I'm gonna take the gloves off. Oh, better. Also change these. I use 2 wet wipes now. What do I have to say for yourself now? I'll just leave it like this. It clearly doesn't want to come off more than this. Is it because of my oily hands? Not just one last alcohol clean and that's it. I'll just dry it off directly from the alcohol. Now, what do you know now? Well, here it is, finally clean. It's going to remain like this forever and ever and ever and ever. 12 minutes and 4 seconds. This was fast. I'm gonna leave it like this because it's gonna get stained anyway every time. Not worth trying. I don't have another body shell, so it is what it is. So goes in the bottom first, then on the top. Alright. Nice. I like this round button. Looks like power button. Anyway, this is my cleanup of this Sony Ericsson L. What do you think? Worth it or not? I say yes. Because this phone deserves a presentation one day. Right? Right. There we go. Donezo. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.